Elephant seals are large marine mammals belonging to the family Phacidae, and they are known for their enormous size, distinctive proboscis, nose, and remarkable adaptations for life in the ocean. There are two main species of elephant seals, the northern elephant seal, Mirounga angustirostris, and the southern elephant seal, Mirounga leonina. Here's an overview of the life of elephant seals. 1. Habitat. Elephant seals are found in the southern hemisphere, southern elephant seals, and the northern hemisphere, northern elephant seals. They spend the majority of their lives at sea, coming ashore only for specific activities such as breeding, molting, and giving birth. 2. Size and physical characteristics. Elephant seals are the largest seals and among the largest marine mammals. Adult males, known as bulls, can reach lengths of up to 16 feet, 5 meters, and weigh as much as 8,800 pounds, 4,000 kilograms. Females, known as cows, are smaller, with an average length of around 10 feet, 3 meters, and a weight of about 2,000 pounds, 900 kilograms. 3. Sexual dimorphism. There is significant sexual dimorphism in elephant seals. Adult males are much larger than females, and they have a distinctive inflatable proboscis, which is absent in females. The proboscis is used to produce loud vocalizations during the breeding season. 4. Molting. Elephant seals undergo an annual molt during which they shed their old fur and grow a new coat. Molting usually occurs at sea, and during this time, seals may remain in the water or haul out on beaches for short periods. 5. Feeding habits. Elephant seals are deep-diving marine predators. They primarily feed on squid and fish, with some species diving to incredible depths, often exceeding 5,000 feet, 1,500 meters, to find prey. Their ability to dive for extended periods contributes to their success in foraging. 6. Long-distance migration. Elephant seals are known for their long-distance migrations. They can travel thousands of miles in search of food, using a network of ocean currents and foraging in different regions depending on the time of year. 7. Breeding behavior. Elephant seals have a polygynous mating system where dominant males, or alpha males, establish territories and mate with multiple females. The breeding season, or rut, occurs annually, during which males engage in intense battles for territory and access to females. 8. Birth and nursing. Females give birth to a single pup after a gestation period of about 11 months. Pups are born on beaches and are nursed intensively by their mothers, gaining substantial weight during the nursing period, which lasts about a month. 9. Pup weaning. After the nursing period, pups are weaned, and they must learn to swim and forage on their own. This critical phase prepares them for an independent life at sea. 10. Vocalizations. Elephant seals are known for their vocalizations, which can include grunts, growls, and distinctive calls produced by males with the inflated proboscis. These vocalizations serve communication purposes during breeding and may help establish dominance. 11. Social structure. The social structure of elephant seals is dynamic and varies throughout the year. During the breeding season, beaches can be crowded with males, females, and pups, leading to a complex social hierarchy. 12. Thermoregulation. Elephant seals have adaptations for thermoregulation, allowing them to maintain a stable body temperature in the cold waters they inhabit. Their blubber layer provides insulation, and their large size helps conserve heat. 13. Conservation status. The conservation status of elephant seal species varies. Southern elephant seals have healthy populations, while northern elephant seals, once heavily hunted for their blubber, were once on the brink of extinction but have since recovered due to conservation efforts. 14. Human interactions. Elephant seals are often observed by tourists at specific breeding beaches, providing opportunities for scientific research and ecotourism. However, human disturbances can have negative impacts, and responsible viewing practices are important to minimize stress on the animals. 15 Seasonal movements. Elephant seals exhibit seasonal movements related to breeding, molting, and foraging. Understanding these movements is crucial for their conservation and the management of marine protected areas. 16 Population dynamics. Elephant seal populations can experience fluctuations due to environmental factors, food availability, and human impacts. Monitoring population dynamics helps assess the health and sustainability of their populations. 17 Impact on ecosystems. As top predators, elephant seals play a role in shaping marine ecosystems by influencing the abundance and distribution of their prey species. Their presence can have cascading effects on the entire food web. 18 Genetic diversity. Maintaining genetic diversity within elephant seal populations is essential for their long-term survival. Genetic studies provide insights into the connectivity between different breeding colonies and inform conservation strategies. 19 Satellite tracking studies. Satellite tracking studies have provided valuable information about the migratory routes, foraging behavior, and habitat preferences of elephant seals. This technology contributes to the understanding of their ecology and aids in conservation planning. 20 Research contributions to marine science. Elephant seals serve as valuable study subjects for marine scientists. Their unique biology, long-distance movements, and accessibility during specific times of the year make them important for research on marine mammal physiology, behavior, and ecology. The life of elephant seals is a fascinating example of how marine mammals have adapted to life in the ocean, and their behaviors contribute to the intricate dynamics of marine ecosystems. Ongoing research and conservation efforts are crucial to ensuring the well-being of these remarkable marine mammals. 21 Juvenile dispersal. After weaning, juvenile elephant seals disperse and may travel long distances, exploring different areas in the ocean. Understanding the dispersal patterns of juveniles is important for comprehending the overall movements and connectivity of elephant seal populations. 22 Predation risks. While elephant seals are formidable predators in the ocean, they face predation risks, particularly when they are vulnerable, such as during the birth of pups. Great white sharks are known to be a significant natural predator of elephant seals. 23 Olfactory communication. Elephant seals use their sense of smell for communication, particularly during the breeding season. Males can detect the scent of females in estrus, and the proboscis may play a role in olfactory communication. 24 Energy storage. Elephant seals are adapted for extended periods without food during their long foraging trips. They build up energy reserves in the form of blubber, which they can utilize when fasting during breeding or molting periods. 25 Coastal haul-outs. Elephant seals utilize coastal haul-out sites for various activities, including resting, molting, and social interactions. Identifying and protecting these sites is crucial for their conservation. 26 Deep diving abilities. Elephant seals are exceptional divers, and their deep diving abilities allow them to access prey at great depths. Some individuals are known to dive to depths exceeding 7,000 feet, 2,133 meters, setting records for marine mammal dives. 27 Impact of climate change. Climate change can influence the distribution and abundance of prey species, affecting the foraging success of elephant seals. Studying their responses to environmental changes contributes to our understanding of climate impacts on marine ecosystems. 28 Genetic adaptations to diving. Genetic adaptations in elephant seals are associated with their diving capabilities. These adaptations include changes in genes related to oxygen transport and metabolism, allowing them to withstand the physiological challenges of deep dives. 29. Antarctic sea ice. Southern elephant seals are well adapted to navigate through sea ice in the Southern Ocean. Understanding their interactions with sea ice is important for predicting how changes in ice conditions may affect their behavior and distribution. 30. Social learning. Elephant seals, particularly females, may engage in social learning. Observational learning from experienced individuals can contribute to the acquisition of essential skills, such as foraging techniques and navigation. 31. Impact on marine ecosystems. Elephant seals contribute to nutrient cycling in marine ecosystems. Their feces, which contain nutrients from their diet, can enhance productivity in coastal areas where they haul out, influencing local food webs. 32. Use of coastal currents. Elephant seals are known to use coastal currents for efficient travel during their migrations. These currents can help them save energy as they move between foraging and breeding areas. 33. Influence of oceanographic features. Oceanographic features, such as frontal zones and upwelling areas, play a role in attracting prey and influencing the distribution of elephant seals. Studying their interactions with these features enhances our understanding of their foraging ecology. 34. Underwater communication. Elephant seals communicate underwater using vocalizations. These sounds may serve various functions, including maintaining contact with conspecifics, coordinating group movements, or signaling during foraging. 35. Hormonal changes during breeding. Hormonal changes, particularly in males, are prominent during the breeding season. Testosterone levels increase, leading to the development of secondary sexual characteristics and the expression of aggressive behaviors in competition for mates. 36. Role in carbon sequestration. The role of elephant seals in carbon sequestration has been explored through studies on their contribution to the biological pump. As they forage and release fecal material in nutrient-rich areas, they may enhance carbon export to the deep ocean. 37. Temperature regulation during dives. Elephant seals can adjust their heart rate and blood flow to regulate temperature during deep dives. This thermoregulation helps them withstand the cold temperatures encountered in the depths of the ocean. 38. Satellite telemetry and tracking. Advances in satellite telemetry and tracking technology have revolutionized the study of elephant seals. Researchers use satellite tags to monitor their movements, diving behavior, and migration patterns on a global scale. 39. Longevity. Elephant seals can have relatively long lifespans, with some individuals living over 20 years. Longevity is influenced by factors such as predation risks, environmental conditions, and individual health. 40. Impact of anthropogenic noise. Anthropogenic noise, including shipping and naval activities, can have an impact on marine mammals, including elephant seals. Understanding how these disturbances affect their behavior and physiology is important for conservation efforts. The life of elephant seals is a dynamic interplay of biological adaptations, ecological interactions, and responses to environmental changes. Ongoing research continues to unveil the complexity of their existence and contributes to the broader understanding of marine ecosystems. 41. Post-mating migration. After the breeding season, male and female elephant seals undergo post-mating migrations. These migrations may cover vast distances as they return to different foraging grounds, reflecting their adaptability to changing ocean conditions. 42. Impact on fisheries. The foraging behavior of elephant seals may intersect with commercial fisheries. Understanding their interactions with fish stocks is important for assessing potential impacts on fisheries and implementing sustainable management practices. 43. Energy expenditure during breeding. The breeding season is energetically demanding for elephant seals, particularly for males engaged in territorial battles and mating. Understanding their energy expenditure during these periods provides insights into the physiological costs of reproduction. 44. Endothermy and thermogenesis. Elephant seals exhibit adaptations for both endothermy, warm-bloodedness, and thermogenesis, heat production. These adaptations help them maintain a relatively stable body temperature in cold marine environments. 45. Oceanographic fronts. Elephant seals are known to forage in oceanographic frontal zones, where different water masses meet. These regions are characterized by enhanced productivity, attracting a variety of prey species that support the seal's foraging needs. 46. Fine-scale movement patterns. Advanced tracking technologies have revealed fine-scale movement patterns of elephant seals during foraging. Studying how they navigate and exploit specific features within their environment provides valuable insights into their foraging strategies. 47. Maternal investment. Female elephant seals make significant maternal investments during the breeding season. The energy expended in nursing and caring for pups contributes to the overall reproductive success of the population. 48. Hybridization. In some cases, elephant seals from different species may hybridize where their ranges overlap. Understanding the occurrence and implications of hybridization contributes to our knowledge of species boundaries and genetic diversity. 49. Adaptations for deep diving. Elephant seals possess physiological adaptations for deep diving, including the ability to collapse their lungs, redirect blood flow, and store oxygen in muscles. These adaptations enable them to dive for extended periods and reach great depths. 50. Impact of climate variability. Climate variability, including phenomena like El Niño and La Niña, can influence oceanic conditions and prey availability. Studying how elephant seals respond to these climate variations contributes to our understanding of their resilience to environmental changes. 51. Territorial behavior. Male elephant seals exhibit territorial behavior during the breeding season, defending prime mating territories. Understanding the dynamics of territoriality provides insights into male-male competition and reproductive strategies. 52. Habitat connectivity. Studying the connectivity between different habitats, including breeding, foraging, and molting areas, is essential for comprehensive conservation planning. Elephant seals' movements connect various marine environments, influencing ecosystem dynamics. 53. Social hierarchies. The breeding colonies of elephant seals often exhibit social hierarchies, with dominant males securing the best territories and access to females. Studying social structures helps in understanding population dynamics and reproductive success. 54. Human-induced disturbances. Human activities, including tourism and coastal development, can disturb elephant seals and their habitats. Managing human-induced disturbances is crucial to minimize stress on these animals and protect their sensitive breeding and resting areas. 55. Evolutionary history. The evolutionary history of elephant seals is traced through genetic studies and fossil records. Understanding their evolutionary adaptations provides insights into their origins and the factors that shaped their unique characteristics. 56. Parasites and diseases. Like all wildlife, elephant seals can be hosts to various parasites and diseases. Monitoring their health, prevalence of pathogens, and the impacts of diseases contributes to conservation efforts and overall ecosystem health. 57. Conservation through marine protected areas. The establishment of marine protected areas, MPAs, is a conservation strategy to safeguard critical habitats for elephant seals. Protecting these areas helps ensure that essential breeding, molting, and foraging sites are preserved. 58. Environmental DNA, EDNA. The use of environmental DNA, EDNA, techniques allows researchers to detect the presence of elephant seals through the genetic material they leave in the environment. This non-invasive method aids in monitoring their distribution and abundance. 59. Impact of deoxygenation. Oceanic deoxygenation, linked to climate change, can influence the distribution of prey species and, subsequently, the foraging success of elephant seals. Research on their responses to changing oceanic conditions